What's up, creators? Cool here, your AI mentor from authorityvideos.com, where creativity meets cash flow. Today, we're diving into a heartstring tugging trend taking over social media. Short, sad cat stories. I'll show you how to make these stories even more impactful with cinematic visuals, poignant animations, and evocative narration. Ready to craft videos that go viral while leaving a lasting impression? Let's go. We're here to take this trend to the next level. Storytelling that's visually stunning, emotionally rich, and narratively deep by combining tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, Kling AI, ElevenLabs, and VEED. We'll create content that resonates on a whole new level. As always, you'll find a free cheat sheet in the description with all the tools, prompts, and tips to bring your sad cat stories to life. Let's make something unforgettable. This is where it all begins. Brainstorming your heartfelt short cat stories. Open ChatGPT and let's craft the foundation for your video. Here's the process. Open ChatGPT and start a new conversation. Paste this prompt. Generate 3 unique short stories featuring cats. Each story should include the cat's appearance, setting, and situation, a heartfelt or bittersweet tone, a resolution or moment that leaves an emotional impact, e.g. hope, loss, or reunion. This is what ChatGPT came up with. Now it's time to bring your cat stories to life with Leonardo AI. Here's how. Log into Leonardo AI and select the Leonardo Phoenix model for detailed and emotional visuals. Set the style to dynamic and the contrast to high. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16 for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Copy your ChatGPT story prompts and paste them into Leonardo AI. Generate 4 to 6 variations for each story to explore different moods. Choose the most compelling visuals for the next step. Static images are touching, but animation makes them unforgettable. Let's breathe life into your visuals with Kling AI. Here's how. Log into Kling AI and upload your chosen image. Use the same descriptive prompt. From Leonardo AI, it's like a storybook coming to life. Repeat this for all your scenes. Next up, narration. This is where your video gains emotional depth. Here's how. Paste the narration script from ChatGPT into ElevenLabs. Choose a soft, empathetic voice tone to match the theme. Fine-tune pacing and download the MP3 files for each scene. Narration is the key to engaging your audience on a deeply emotional level. Now, let's polish everything into a masterpiece using VEED. Here's how. Import your animated clips, narration, and background music. Add transitions like fades and light blurs for a seamless flow. Overlay captions to guide viewers. Choose a melancholic piano score or gentle strings to complement your theme. Once you're happy with the pacing, export your video in HD. Your short, sad cat story is now ready to move audiences across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Sad cat stories aren't just viral, they're emotionally powerful, helping creators connect deeply with their audience. With cinematic visuals, touching narration, and pro-level animations, you'll stand out in this growing trend. And that's a wrap, creators. You've just unlocked the secret to creating viral, short, sad cat stories that tug at heartstrings and inspire shares. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more storytelling hacks. Now, here's a question for you. What's the next trend or story you'd like us to cover? Drop your ideas in the comments. I can't wait to hear them. Until next time, keep creating, keep connecting, and remember, it's cool to care.
Lost and weary, the young tabby braved the harsh rain, its tiny world shrouded in despair. With one small gesture, the world's coldness began to thaw, offering the tabby a spark of hope. From rain to radiance, the tabby's journey ended in a place where its heart could finally heal.